Hello everyone, today I'm gonna share with you what I got from AceCosm. I ordered from the company from Korea. It came really fast. I just didn't have time to do the video, but it's still in the box. I just wanted to share with you what I got because what I got is gonna be in the next videos because the stuff that I bought, I'm gonna use it obviously to show you. They had a big sale, 20% off, and with my code Blanchette10 you get extra 10% off, so I actually got 30% off, so that was a pretty good price. So the first thing I got that I always wanted is the Alaxin PLLA mask. So I'm gonna show you this in the video how to use it. The next one is the aesthetic line threads, and that's what I'm gonna be using. I bought I even forgot what I bought already. Mono, so just the regular PDO mono 29G 38 millimeters, this one, and then the screws 29G and 25 millimeters. Each package like this comes with the 20 threads. I think I pay for it like $20, so this is pretty good price, and they are pretty responsive, and the payment went fast too, so there's no problems with that company. Then the other one, they pack like this. I bought just the one vial of the awesome Miracle Age, which I'm gonna be using for the bio revitalization of the face. I think I'm gonna use the Easy Pen to use it for the whole face. So that's future videos are gonna be coming up. And as a gift, they sent me, how many it is? 5 masks. So it's a sheet mask, red ginseng mask. So it's like a 2 sheet mask of this, and then other one, prestige gold snail mask, 3 of this. So pretty good. I love the sheet mask. So after microneedling or after the HIFU or any other procedures or RF radio frequency, or even on the Sunday evening, relaxing, sheet mask is the best thing. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you. If you want to check the website, it's AceCosm, and you can use my code Blanchette10 for 10% off. I do get some teeny tiny money from this sale, I think, if you buy something, so I really appreciate if you use my code. That means a lot to me because that's supporting also my channel, so I can do more videos or buy more stuff to share with you. Yeah, and that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.